Hello, everybody. It is I, the blue monkey, and I made a friend today. And his name is Spy Ninja Kyle. I bet he and I will be best friends. What do you guys think? Is it a good idea or what? Let me know, okay? Awesome. Wish me good luck. Being friends with him. Okay? Awesome. So, Blue Monkey will return. I promise you that. Okay? Thank you. So, you guys think I would be friends with the blue monkey? Let me know in the comments down below of my channel. Okay? Yeah! And always remember, we are the Spy Ninjas. Okay? And kill. And you have a good Monday afternoon. All of you. Okay? Thank you. You guys are amazing.